Look, that girl would rather die of 1,000 paper cuts than to have to sit in front of another lame-ass dude asking the same lame-ass questions on a first date, like, what's your favorite color? What's your favorite food? You gotta understand that these type of questions don't produce genuine, deep conversation that leads to intimacy, that leads to sexual desire. But today's video does just that. So, I want you to pause this video, grab a pen and a paper, and start taking notes, because I'm gonna give you 10 questions, 10 real questions you can ask a girl that's gonna create a genuine conversation and that's gonna make her fall in love. Now, you can text these questions, however, it is better to be done in person because these questions come from a study that was done by scientists that they believe that through vulnerability, you can create an intimate connection with the proper questions. So today, I'm gonna give you 10 questions and I'm gonna break it up in 3 segments. See, the first segment is kind of like an icebreaker. You're getting to know this girl. Now, one thing, start warming up with this girl, you can go to level 2, which will be the next 3 questions to really dive into that intimacy. Finally, there's level 3, the last 3 questions I'm gonna give you, which are gonna be the most intimate and where she's gonna really get to open up, and so will you. Today, boys, I want you to take notes. Let's hop into it. The first question, given the choice of anyone in the world, whom would you like to have as a dinner guest? This is a great opening question to get her to open up and see what her likes and dislikes are without asking her the boring ass, what type of music do you like type of style. Question number 2, would you want to be famous? If so, in what way? People love talking about themselves and fantasizing. This question allows her to do just that, and you're the guy sparking her dreams. Third question, name 3 things that you think you and I have in common, and then I'll go. You see, every question you both are answering, this is what's going to produce a genuine conversation and spark probably minutes, if not hours of conversation. This particular one is great because you guys get to play a mini guessing game off the rip. Then you get her to open up and you get her to say what she likes about you off the bat, because if she's saying you guys have something in common, chances are she likes that of you because it reminds her of her. And number 4, the final one for this stage, what are you most grateful for in your life? Boys, like I told you, these questions were crafted by scientists for one singular purpose: increasing intimacy. Their hypothesis is that vulnerability fosters closeness. And what they're trying to do with these questions is get you both to be vulnerable, and that's going to create a sexual connection, a sexual desire between both of you that she's never experienced with any other regular dude, because you know what? No other dude is subscribed to this channel that's giving you. Bro, this is the type of information that's gonna make you win in life, and all you gotta do is subscribe and hit the notification bell, because it only gets better from here. Now, once you're done with these questions, we still got 6 more left. However, one thing that the scientists, or part of the study, was that once you're done, you should do or try to do an exercise where you just look at each other for 4 minutes. Now, I don't know if you've ever done this before, but looking into a stranger's eyes for 4 minutes, talk about vulnerable, right? So if she's down with this and you tell her what you guys are doing and the whole 9, and the flow's been perfect throughout the whole conversation, chances are she's gonna be down with the eye stare. However, if you wanna magnify or make sure that her butterflies go out the roof while she's having that soul connection with you, you gotta make sure you look good. You gotta give her something good to look. And I got you covered. Boys, this August 8th, Essentials is dropping again. You already know we work on Essentials endlessly for one goal: to make men look better. I want clothing to fit so good on you that it makes you look muscular, it makes you look sexy, it makes you look attractive. And this collection is going to change the game. This collection will be clothing unlike you've ever tried before. And I can say that confidently. You want to know why? Take a look at this right here. Both of these, the Henley and the shorts, are made with aloe. Yes, aloe vera. We were able to engineer this into a fabric, and it is the softest thing you've ever put. It'll be the softest thing to ever grace your skin, and you'll never want to wear regular ass cotton again.
Yo, feel this fabric?
Damn, that's super soft.
Damn, that's soft, bro. What's that made of?
Oh my god, this is so soft.
Wow, bro, this is soft.
On top of it being more sustainable and better for the environment than just cotton, it's also more durable. It is the softest thing you're ever gonna feel, and that girl's not gonna, once she feels you and she touches you, she's not gonna wanna stop touching you from how soft these clothing pieces are. And not to mention, the fabric is also crazy healthy for the skin, nourishing the body and leaving the skin super supple. What other brand is engineering fabrics like this? I want to create essentials that not only give you basics, but give you basics that have purpose, that give you value. Like always, like my content. Boys, you do not want to miss this launch. Every single piece of our collection is re-engineered with new fabrics. We have 6 new fabrics that aren't just basic cotton. Now, it was expensive to produce. This will be the best clothing you've ever tried, and I guarantee you it's gonna move fast. That's why I'm hyping it up now, because I want my audience, because we spend a lot of influencer marketing, so there's going to be a lot of people coming into the store, but I want you guys to be the first ones. I want you to put a reminder on your phone for 10 a.m. Eastern on August 8th. Start saving up money now, because you're not going to want to miss this. Let's move on to level 2. You're already in a deeper conversation with her, so the questions are going to get a little bit more intimate. Number 5. Is there anything that you've dreamed of doing for a long time? If so, why haven't you done it? This is amazing because it gets women to open up about her deepest passions. She's gonna think that you genuinely care about what she cares about and not just about what she looks, and that's hot. Roll that on to number 6. What is your greatest accomplishment in life? People love talking about their accolades and what they've accomplished. Get her to open up and then congratulate her on that. It's gonna make her feel amazing, and again, drive her to connect more with you. Number 7, if you knew that in 1 year you would die suddenly, would you change anything about the way you're living now? If so, why? Great question to get her to open up. Now you're getting real deep in conversation. You've probably been in convo with this girl for 1 to 2 hours, and this is gonna be the deepest conversation this girl's ever had. Are you realizing why she's gonna fall in love with you? Boys, we've made it to level 3. If you're in level 3, chances are this girl's already head over heels for you, and well, you can thank me. I love this one. You're gonna ask her to make 3 true we statements for each, and you're gonna do it as well. For instance, you're gonna say, we both are in this room feeling blank. This question is when it gets hot and heavy, because now is when you can get a little bit flirty. You can start reaching a little bit and seeing how much she gives. It's kind of like a give and take with this question. This is a question where she's gonna say certain things that it's gonna make you realize what she's truly thinking, because now she's opening up. She's saying things that she's never said to other dudes, and then you're gonna do the same thing and really solidify that connection. Number 9, tell your partner something you really like about them. And you gotta be super honest here. This is you telling her this. You gotta be super honest, and you gotta say things that you would never tell another person you just met. Again, this question makes people open up. If you're at this level, you've already broken down all sorts of barriers with this girl, and there is all sorts of trust. This question is powerful. And the final and 10th question is, if you were to die this evening with no opportunity to communicate with anyone, what would you most regret not having told somebody? And why haven't you told them that? Again, just a very deep and personal question to know what she cares and what she cherishes. And it's great for both parties, because not only are you creating an intimate connection, you yourself are seeing who she really is and not just a surface level Instagram. These are questions that she's never going to expect, because no guy's ever asked her that. But you're no regular guy. Boys, these questions right here were scientifically made to make people fall in love, and I've used them myself, so I know they work. I challenge you to try them out, but that's it from me today, boys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget our launch for Essentials, August 8th. That's it for me today. See you next time.